Okay, so now we're going to build a split panel that's going to hold our side panel and our map widget. So I'm going to copy this thing, go over to here, and then paste that in. And so to build the split panel, we're going to grab the UI that's not a panel. It's going to be called, the UI is the split panel. And it takes a first panel, which is like thing on the left, second panel, thing on the right, orientation, a wipe, and a style. And so this one we're gonna define a little bit, and we're gonna say, all right, I want this to be a split panel, and I think it's big S, big P, and then I'm gonna kind of define these arguments, and I want to kind of label them a little bit. So I'm going to make it as a dictionary, where my first panel is going to be the thing that kind of appears, it's drawn first. And I think I want the thing to be drawn first is going to be the side panel. So I'm going to say, please use this as the thing that appears first. And as my second panel, I'm going to say, please use this. And then I have to say, okay, the orientation of this, and the orientation could be either horizontal or vertical. It defaults to horizontal. So we don't necessarily have to define this, but just to be careful, I'm going to say horizontal. And what that means is that it's going to create a layout kind of like this, where there's this on the left and this on the right, and then this is the split screen, the split panel. And if I said vertical, I think it would draw something up here and then something down here. And then this would be the division between the two. And then what else do I need to do? That's the orientation and then the wipe. So whether to enable the wiping effect. And we wanted to do that when we used a split panel for maps. But for this, we actually want to say false because we don't want the panel to kind of overlap and cover the map. We want it to kind of um, have a boundary that pushes one to the side. Um, I think, let's see, I believe we want to say false here. Um, and then the style, we're not going to define any style just yet. We're going to leave that off. And I'm going to hit save. And let's keep going. That's about all we need to do there.